Ever opened an email and instantly thought this was written by a robot? Here's the shocking truth. According to Statista, people send over 347 billion emails every single day, and most of them get ignored because they feel cold and lifeless. If your emails don't sound human, they don't stand a chance. But the good news is AI can actually help you write emails that feel natural, personal, and real. Let me show you how in 4 simple steps. Step 1. Start with a conversational tone. Instead of "Dear customer," try "Hey Sarah, I thought of you when I saw this." AI can be guided to write like a friendly voice, not a corporate announcement. Step 2. Add micro stories. People connect with stories, not bullet points alone. Even a short line like "Imagine finishing your workday 2 hours earlier" makes your email feel alive. Step 3. Keep sentences short and easy. Nobody enjoys reading a wall of text. Break it up with simple words and natural flow so it feels like a real conversation. Step 4. Personalize the message. Even if you're sending to thousands, AI can insert little touches that make it feel like one-to-one. Use their first name, their niche, or even mirror the words they use. Now here's the shortcut that makes all of this effortless. AI Creator Max has 100+ premium templates for titles, blogs, ads, and emails. All built on proven marketing psychology like ADA, PASS, and more. Just answer a few questions, hit generate, and you're done. Helps you write content 10x faster. Try it free. Link below. Bonus pro tip. End with curiosity. Instead of closing with "let me know," try leaving an open loop like "want me to send you the quick version?" This invites replies and builds connection. Here's the big takeaway. AI isn't here to replace human writing. It's here to help you sound more human at scale. And when you use it right, your emails stop feeling like spam and start feeling like conversations people actually want to read. This video is part of a playlist that shows you step by step how to use AI to write smarter, more engaging content. Keep watching to keep stacking these shortcuts. If this helped, hit like so more people see it, subscribe so you never miss the next lesson, and comment with what kind of email you struggle to write. And when you're ready to write emails that feel human in minutes, go to AICreatorMax.com and start creating smarter today.